Good morning, this is Bianca, and now I have to replicate the problem of the client. I need the tank, and to simulate I have to reduce the passage of the water that pass through the pump. Look, the client have this problem. I'm simulating what happened to the client, and practically I try to close the tube when the pump is running. Look what happens. Look the pump. The more I close, the more the pump have the problem, because the pump does not receive enough water. First thing to do is try, first of all I remove the water tank, and I connect another tube here. Then I disconnect the backpack tube, and I connect another tube. After that, I remove the sensor of the water, the jack. Then the machine now is working without this. As you can see, I have removed the wire here, and I have connected another tube. If you don't have a tube like this, you can try to use the tube that you have for the plumbing. I have practically you can connect this tube that you have in the accessories, and you can put this part of the tube into a container of the water. I put the tube into a container with the water, and I try to lift up the lever, the brew lever. As we can see, when I have air, look, when I have air into the tube, the pump pressure drop, because the pump does not receive water. Then, if with the tube or with the tube for plumbing into a container, the machine works, the pump works properly, it means that the pump is not the problem. The pump works. The problem, it can be or the water tank here, or this into the water tank. Practically the water cannot pass through here, and can pass, but not enough water pass, and then we have to change this code. Or it can be, we have to remove this. Also, if you have the filter, and try to use the machine without this, to check if the pump receives enough water. If it doesn't work, you have to check the tube if we have no part, or in the tube here, or inside here, because practically the water doesn't pass. Doesn't pass here. The tube arrive here. Here we have the water. Here you have the valve, or this valve have problem, or the tube that pass into this area is in this way, and the water cannot pass the 100%. It can be, yes. Look, the tube pass here, but inside here you have a curve, and it can be also this.